In today's video, I'll show you how to add a calendar in Zoho Sheet. While Zoho Sheet doesn't include a built-in pop-up date picker, you can still create a practical and organized calendar system using a few simple tools. Let's walk through it. Start by formatting your cells as dates. Go to the Format menu, choose Cell and select Date. This ensures anything you type into those cells is recognized and displayed as a proper date. It keeps your sheet consistent, makes sorting easier, and ensures formulas work correctly, even though the dates are typed manually. Next, you can strengthen your setup with data validation. This lets you restrict those cells so they only accept valid date entries. It acts like a safeguard, preventing typing mistakes and keeping your data clean and reliable. If you want a more interactive option, you can create a simple simulated calendar. Add a new sheet, build a monthly grid using date formulas, and use it as a reference. Once it's ready, you can pull selected dates into your main sheet using lookup formulas. It's not an automatic pop-up calendar, but it gives you an organized, visual way to pick dates without relying on manual typing alone. Using these methods, you can build a functional calendar system inside Zoho Sheet that's easy to manage and perfect for planning projects, tracking events, or organizing schedules. Thanks for watching, and explore our other Zoho Sheet tutorials to keep improving your workflow.